Hey my friends. This is another banger video for you. We jump into something. We jump into FL Studio. Ha 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 ha. Mr. Savage Sounds is still super funny. But, of course I got some sauce for you in this video. I show you how to make a euphoric EDM track. And I show you it step by step my ladies. At first I like to pick the good old FL keys because it sounds so lovely disgusting. And I try to come up with a somewhat emotional melody. Yes, I'm kidding, let's be serious. Somewhat like now I build super simple chords. Yes, that's good. Let's pick some presets for the lead melody. Yes. They sounding dope. Shout out to Stormbreaker for designing these. Let's EQ them. Reverb. Link it to the peak controller. Now the chords are coming. Sidechain. Pick more presets. Wow, sounds so lovely. Now basses. That rolling bass is also cool. Sub bass. And of course every track needs these ambiances. Guys, the ambiances of my new pack Orbit are outstanding. Now let's add drums. And fills. And downlifters for energy. And guys, we are ready. Before we listening to the full drop, I have to announce to you my brand new sample pack called Orbit. It is perfect for melodic EDM genres like these, because it comes with 200 presets for Serum and Selenth 1, and it has 320 outstanding drum and FX samples. What really lifts up this pack from all the others are the amazing ambient samples. I promise you will love these pack. It will be released this Friday the 17th of May on 8 PM Central European Time, but if you want it 2 hours earlier before the official drop with a 50% discount, grab the early access ticket right now. First link in the description. And now, let's listen to the final result. Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.